In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of subscribing to the TradingView add-on inside your Tradivate platform. This integration allows TradingView to connect directly to your Tradivate Live or demo accounts, giving you the ability to trade through TradingView while still using your existing Tradivate credentials. The entire setup only takes a minute, and once activated, you'll be able to use both platforms together seamlessly. To get started, log into your Tradivate web trader. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Application Settings. This opens the main settings window, where all of Tradivate's add-ons and tools are managed. When the Settings panel appears, select the Add-ons tab at the top. This section lists all available integration tools and features you can attach to your account. Scroll down until you find the TradingView add-on. You'll see a short description explaining that this add-on enables TradingView to access your Tradivate Live and simulated accounts, allowing you to place trades using the TradingView interface while still relying on Tradivate for execution. Once you've located it, click Buy to activate the add-on for your account. The cost is $9.99 per month, billed directly by Tradivate. This fee covers your ability to connect your existing Tradivate username and password to TradingView. It's important to know that this charge doesn't come from TradingView, only from Tradivate. You still need to have a valid TradingView subscription in order to use their platform. But the integration fee itself is handled entirely on the Tradivate side. After you complete the activation, the add-on becomes available immediately. From there, you can open TradingView, sign in as usual, and connect your Tradivate account by entering the same username and password you already use on Tradivate. Once linked, you'll be able to analyze charts using TradingView's tools while executing trades through Tradivate's order routing without any additional routing fees. That's all there is to it. The TradingView add-on gives you the best of both platforms in one smooth workflow, making it easier and faster to trade the way you want.